we just finished dyeing our first piece of fabric together. This is the fabric. You can see a very rich yellow. And this is the fabric with iron sulfate. To take care of this fabric, please follow these recommendations. I know that right now it feels a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry. Give yourself a little bit of time and practice, and I trust you will get the hang of it. I recommend you to download the checklist that is in the supplementary documents. This is the checklist that I normally use when I'm preparing the fabric and when I'm dyeing the fabric. I believe that it's going to give you a little help at the beginning. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey of learning about natural colors. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you enjoy the world of botanical colors. Thank you again, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!